I'm Brad Horner,
I'm Diane Maloney.
and we're with Ravis Marketing Group, the residential development, marketing, and sales division of William Ravis Real Estate. We combine the practice of market research. We do a lot of focus groups, quantitative, qualitative market studies to really help a developer understand who the target market is so they can build to the market. And by doing all the important work up front, when we're really consulting with them on floor plan designs, finished designs, the critical things that need to be done up front to make sure that a condominium project is a huge success.
Well, right now we're seeing East Boston as one of our top emerging markets in the city, mainly due to the transportation situation there, as well as the beautiful views across the water toward Boston. You're going to see that become one of the new hot spots, just like South Boston became a couple of years ago. Also, I'd like to include Chelsea being one because I believe that it's got enormous water potential there. Also on the expressway going north and south. And then Somerville, which is one of my favorite spots. Best jazz in town is in Somerville. And now with Assembly Square coming on in there with all the shopping and everything, I think you're going to see that as going to be a booming market for housing.
Yeah, and all three of those markets, Diane, that you just mentioned hopefully will deliver more affordable housing.
Hopefully.
So I think that's going to be a big driver in the success of the developments taking place in all three of those areas. In the core of the city, I think you're going to see a lot of developments along the Greenway.
Absolutely.
Obviously along the waterfront, the Harbor Garage Project, Government Center Garage Project on the Greenway, and then also into the seaport. Obviously a lot going on the seaport, but what we haven't seen yet is a lot of condominiums,
right,
other than 22 Liberty. So I think you're going to see that in the next wave of development in the seaport, some really, really exciting condominiums added to the neighborhood.